I'm delighted to be joined on Mobile World Live today by Adolfo Hernandez from AWS. Adolfo, it's great to see you again.
Yeah, great to see you again. Thanks for having me.
Pleasure, Adolfo. Now, in fact, it was only 6 short months or so ago that we last spoke about the transformational efforts that AWS is making in the telecom industry. Can you give us an update on where AWS is today?
Sure. Yeah, it's great to be back and participate this time in person at Mobile World Congress. I have a chance to reconnect with you and with a lot of people in the industry. To your particular questions on progress since we last spoke, we really continue to see most of the major operators using the cloud in some way. And it's really to see that evolution from, should I really be using the cloud, to how fast can I get to it? Right? So it's really, really good because the demand for telco transformation, digital services is really increasing at a very rapid pace. So I was actually reading a report a couple of weeks ago that says the telco cloud market is going to treble from 2020 to 2026. So really excited about the opportunity and really excited to be working with telco operators to deliver on this promise.
Now, the big show is here, MWC Barcelona 2022. Can you give us a bit of a sneak preview into what we can expect from AWS at the event, Adolfo?
Sure. We have some fabulous things in the store for everybody who's here this year. So please really make sure and come and see us. We are actually quite handy this year. We are located on the upper walkway, literally as you enter the south entrance of the theater, so you can't miss it. Our CEO, Aaron Selipsky, will be giving a main stage keynote on Tuesday morning. In addition, we're building an entire AWS village for attendees to explore and engage AWS experts, our partners, and meet other customers. We're hosting more than 20 sessions in that village theater, with more than 20 lightning talks by our partners and 14 strategic partner booths in the Partner Expo. So it's going to be a full experience. We will have an entire AWS atrium filled with demonstrations, interactive tours. So please, 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 please look for AWS on the MWC mobile application, download the Village Guide, and come and meet us.
Adolfo, let's talk a bit about how operators are working with AWS. What are some of the biggest benefits that they're seeing?
Yes, we're working together with them to first cloudify their networks with cloud infrastructure and help them gain benefits of scale, reliability, agility, and cost reduction. The second, we're helping them simplify their IT operations via continuous CI/CD, deployment of applications, and improve architectures. Third, since they have a lot of data, we're helping them reimagine the customer experience that they can deliver by injecting AI and machine learning into that data. And then fourth, last but not least, we're helping them with revenue generation and unlocking business growth. And we do that by a combination of go-to-market strategies that bring communications and the cloud together, but also some innovations on the back of 5G.
That's all great, Adolfo. Can you share some examples, though, some case studies?
Absolutely. Let me share with you some examples. So let's start with Verizon, because we've partnered with Verizon across a number of initiatives. From 5G innovation at the edge with the Wavelength program. They have also partnered with us on the rollout of 5G across the United States for their OSS and the provisioning of services. And we've also collaborated with them this year on private MEC to deliver enterprise use cases for Industry 4.0. And then recently, a couple of months ago, we announced a collaboration with them on Project Kuiper. That is a low-orbit satellite system that brings connectivity to rural areas. So it's a very, very tight collaboration. Also, last spring, Dish Wireless announced that it's building a new 5G cloud-native network on AWS, and Swisscom also announced that they've partnered with AWS and Ericsson to build a cloud-native standalone 5G core to increase operational efficiency and fuel innovation in their market in Switzerland. And then we've had a number of other examples like Telefonica in Brazil, where they're demonstrating the 5G standalone core over the AWS outposts with Vivo. And then very recently, Telenor announced that they have implemented an entire mobile core in the cloud for the virtual mobile network operator Vimea. So a lot going on, and you'll be hearing about new customers later in this week.
Yeah, Adolfo, that is a great scene setter for AWS at MWC. Any final thoughts before we wrap up?
Yeah, we're just very excited about what's going on and deeply committed to this industry and to really partner with leading telcos around the world to shift the industry and evolve it and really work with them to define how networks are built, how they are operated, how they're deployed, how they're managed in a way that they are really flexible, agile, and cost-effective. With unlimited connectivity and extensive access to cloud computing, we can really offer every school equal access to the same learning tools, every business access to affordable digital tools so that they can innovate and be successful. And we can also work with institutions like healthcare institutions to cure diseases faster. And AWS is here to really help telecom operators to do this, to offer value in very innovative use cases. This is a really exciting time.
Adolfo, it's been great talking with you. Have a great show. Enjoy Barcelona.
Thank you. You too.